Say hello, everybody. This is me in my bed at 11 o'clock at night, wide awake, because I'm still trying to figure out how to get on a sleep schedule. Yeah. JC, what are you looking at? Huh? What are you looking at? Look at Mommy. Hi. Are you ready to eat? So you can go to sleep? So Mommy can go to sleep? That sounds like a really good idea to me. What are you doing? You gonna work yourself up so you can eat? Hmm? Oh. Oh no. Oh. Can you say hi to Daddy? Hmm? Can you say hi? Alright. I'll feed you. Say goodbye. I love you. Goodbye.